When Nicholas, they might get him one now.
Get to flying.
Forward, up, get the target.
See how he's turning? Now lean forward.
He's doing good.
Yeah.
What's
Get over there.
hilarious?
He's better than I am at this.
You know, you
Don't fly too high, it says. Come on, Icarus. Now float down. Just stop.
He's gonna get it. Right, but.
Oh, he's gonna get it. Lean forward, I think.
Yeah.
Woo, there he got it! Let go!
Oh, he's got it. Get in there. Yay! Now fly to another one.
I guess you better do this instead of bowling.
I think they're behind you.
You better do this instead of bowling.
And you
Where are
can
they?
do
I don't know.
right
There they go. Oh, you got